Admission is an easy feature in IntractERP. It helps you to add students into the system. Go on the admission features on the left hand side and go to all admissions. Here you can see the various stages of admission process. It starts with lead or inquiry and ends at terminations or confirmation. You can import the data you already have. For it, click on the import button and upload the Excel file. With the import option, you can import multiple entries at one time. You can filter the data under inquiries or sources, and you can also export the data in an Excel sheet format. To export the data, click on Export button and the data will be exported in an Excel sheet format. If you want to add a new inquiry, click on a New Lead or Inquiry button on the top right corner and fill in the details. To move on to the next step, click on Unlock Application and upload the student picture and other details. Click on Save Details and unlock the next step, which is Upload Documents. To move on to the next step, click on Unlock Evaluation. Read the details, evaluate, and click on Save Details. From here, you get two options, either to unlock confirmation and move on to confirmation, or you can terminate the admission here as well. Click on Unlock Confirmation and fill in the details like classroom, which the student will be, the GR number, select the fee category, also select the student app login details. You can copy from home or you can give the student a customized username and then click on Confirm Admission. This will confirm the admission of the student in the institution, and while you follow all the steps, the student will automatically be created in the institution. If you see here, you can also see some of the pending admissions. Under leads or inquiry, you can see all the pending leads or inquiry. Under applications, you can see the required applications or reviewed or the pending applications. You can also see the pending evaluations of students under evaluation list. This is an easy process to add students into the system. Thank you.